Hello guys, how to fix Cldflt sys blue screen of death error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this blue screen of death error in your system, the first workaround is scan your system. First, run some DISM tool. Any bad image may be a cause of such error. So open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And here execute these three DISM tool for repairing your bad image in your system. So DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM restore health. Execute these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each times in your command prompt windows, and it will, after successfully executed, then restart your system and check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and complete a scan your system. Press Win+I shortcut key to launch Windows settings, and here go to privacy and security from the left side and choose Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection, and a new window security will open, and here choose a scan options and select full scan, and finally choose a scan now button, and let the window complete the scanning procedure. After that, check whether your system still facing blue screen error or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows settings again and go to Windows update and click on check for updates from the right side, and if any update available, download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of blue screen error appear on your screen. The next workaround to fix this issue is press Win+R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type RSTRUI to open system restore windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10. In system restore windows, restore system files and settings, you may find recommended restore, but you can also choose a different restore point. Make the check against this option and choose next and choose a different restore point. You may show more restore point. Make the check against this option and select a restore point and click on next, and finally confirm your restore point. Click on finish and let the window complete the restoration point. After that, restart your system, and if your problem is still, then reset your PC, clean boot your PC. Right click on a start button, choose settings, and here from the left side go to system, go to right side and find out recovery option, click on recovery, and here click on reset PC. Here choose keep my files, choose an options keep my files and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting this PC process. And after clean boot of your PC, restart your system, your blue screen error will definitely be